All right, yo. This is February 23rd, 2026 trade recap. TRE trade recap we got. So, all right, just to give y'all, let's go to the 1 hour. Okay. Price came down, swept out these lows, and made a big push back up, swept out this high, and that's when I was like, okay, bet. This is right before market closed too on Friday. So let me zoom in here. What I was looking for when price open Sunday, and I'll jump into the fucking 15-minute again. Is I was looking for exactly what happened. At first, this 15-minute fair value, this was just a 15-minute fair value gap that I had placed. But I was waiting for it to inverse to follow TRE. If you guys watch my other videos, you guys know exactly how TRE works. TRE works with location. So first we want a high reversal area, right? So we want an HRA. Now we want high time frame liquidity sweep, which we got here. And that's exactly what we got. We got 1 hour, 1 hour, a 1 hour high. We got that swept. And then we want a big displacement to the side that you want to take your trade, right? We need a reaction. That's what this is. That's what this is about. TRE is about reaction. It's the reaction entry. That basically means that we're not trying to predict the market. We're trying to react to what happens and then form our entry based on reactions, not predictions. So inverse the 15-minute after the liquidity sweep, big displacement to the downside, but we don't enter, we don't want to fucking chase that big drop to the downside, that first initial displacement, because chasing that, you're just gonna get stopped out. It's gonna come back up, it's gonna stop you out. You're not gonna hit your full TPs because you're not putting yourself at a good entry point for risk management, and we'll get into that as well. So now that we understand where I took my trade, high time frame liquidity sweep, or not where I took my trade, but where I was forming my bias, high time frame liquidity sweep, displacement to the downside, which is our reaction from the liquidity sweep. Now 15-minute fair value gaps are forming. 15-minute fair value gaps are getting inversed. So because we didn't retest this inverse fair value gap, I wasn't able to get an entry. That's where I had my entry. I had my entry like right here. And this was yesterday. This is Sunday. And normally I don't even trade Sunday, but I was like, dude, if this inverses, I'm getting an early ass entry. So I had my stop above market opening gap. Boom. So I'm doing the same exact trade. It would have took longer to hit. But regardless, this would have put us in the W situation. Because that didn't happen, I didn't take the trade. I wasn't going to chase the breakout. I wasn't going to chase the displacement to the downside. If price wanted to quickly move, it is what it is. You know what I'm saying? It's high risk, low probability. If it doesn't do everything that TRE on the checklist on our blueprint, Discord down below. So if you want to get the free blueprint or the free Discord, the free blueprint or the free TRE checklist, step by step, shows you everything in detail about how we take our trades, then you'll see that that's why I didn't take this trade at first. But then what happened? Boom, 5 a.m. this morning, price came back up. As soon as I realized that it tagged it and came right back down, I got an entry on like the next, two candles. Entered, price came down a little bit, almost broke this low, and when it came back up, I thought I was fucked. But huge rejection wick from this zone, and it went to our target liquidity. And that's what I'm saying. We had a fucking internal high right here, or internal low. When this internal low got broke right here, and it held below, and as soon as it closed right here, super close to my entry, Stop losses went in the green, like $250 in the green. So that's how you manage your risk. Because by any chance, a lot of people they'll let these trades go, bro, and then they'll be pressed when that shit goes all the way back up and takes them out um for money. You know what I'm saying? They lose the trade. There's no reason you should be letting a trade go so far without putting your stop and break even. But at the same time, you gotta have structure to your trade like this. As soon as an internal low is broken and I know, okay, now structure's changed, and now the probability of that next target liquidity getting hit is way higher, but there's still a chance of it coming back up. Okay, now I can put my stop loss in the green because odds are I'm gonna hit this trade full TP, but by any chance, if it doesn't and it takes that internal low as liquidity and people buy and that shit gets pushed up, stops me out. You know what I'm saying? So at least you put yourself in a situation to either win or win more. And that's basically what we're trying to do at TRE. And bro, I took 3 trades in the last like 3 trades in the last okay, 1 trade a day. Let's just say that 1 trade a day because I couldn't trade on the weekends, but like almost a trade a day. And that's just how TRE works. Less is more with TRE. Good positions, comfortable profits, you know what I'm saying? And a high win rate. But yeah, that's just about it for this trade recap. Um, I'm gonna edit this up, post this up today, and I think I'm gonna do a couple of these a week, maybe one or two a week for these trade recaps. Go over the trades that I took, just so y'all get, you know what I'm saying? Maybe even do some live sessions too. I got a couple of my buddies in my Discord that trade like crazy. Get them inside the live streams, do some live sessions here on YouTube and shit. But you know what I'm saying? Let me know in the comments if y'all want to see that. Yeah, this is a fire TRE textbook trade. If you guys want to see more of these, Discord's gonna be down below. Free community. Um, and we're pretty active. I'm active every day. All right, yeah, so that was it for the recap. But I'll catch y'all in the next one.